Hello guys, I'm back here, and finally, and today we're playing, and here he is, Ms.Pac-Man. Yeah, it was 2004. Alright, you ready? Alright, let's power it on. I'm so happy, joy. And, look at the game. Here we go. Plug in and play TV games. It was 2004. Alright, here we go. I love Miss Pac-Man so much. And because I actually love it, playing Miss Pac-Man, should I eat it? There you go. Yum 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 yum. Oh, whoa whoa whoa. I'll try it again more. Right there. Oh, I get the Jerry. Oh my gosh. There we go. I got it. Yeah. Ah! He died. Yeah. Okay. Then next is Galaga. Get more. There's two more. There's two more. Get the two more. Ah! One more. When I'm finished to the next level. Yay! Alright. The next is Mappy. Here we go. Oh, I got her. Ugh! He got me. See? He's dead. Let me get some more, okay? Whoa, we got this guy. There's one more. To the top. I did it! Alright. Okay, let me reach the camera. There. There we go. Alright. Here we go. Alright. The next is Xevious. Whoa, alright, get it? There! Got it. Whoa! You wanted to be careful. You're gonna. Oh! Ah, yeah. Yeah, that was it. That was yeah, that was Xevious. The last one is Pulp Edition. Oh! Yeah. Game over. Well, that was my review, guys. The Ms.Pac-Man. Yeah, look at that. That's all the game. See? Love it. Well, anyway, guys, that's it for my plug and play the TV game of the Ms.Pac-Man. Yeah, I'm Phil Joy now. Anyway, so please subscribe and comment to me. Alright? So that's all ingredients. This is Joy and Sanders and Riley Understand. 2016 EDCP signing off.